Brixia PM-5. The Brixia PM-5, an Italian pump-action shotgun manufactured by Brixia Shotguns. Shotgun PM-5 rifle was developed by the Italian company used by various police and military forces, including the French Navy. The PM-5 is almost unique in that it has a removable magazine. The magazine greatly improves the time and the balance of the charge. The Valtro PM-5 is available with either a fixed stock or a folding stock. The power system PM-5 is conventional, manually operated. The tube under the barrel serves as a guide for scrolling. The loader 7 rounds, plus 1 in the chamber. It is unusual in that it takes a detachable box magazine. Both 7 and 10-round magazines have been manufactured, although the 7-round magazine is much more common. Renowned for their simplicity, lightweight, and reliability, this pump-action 12GA shotgun has sold on the U.S. market for as much as $1,200. 0. Currently PM-5 model produced by Brixia Shotgun in Italy, a company that bought Valtro brand after it declared bankruptcy. In Canada, Brixia Shotguns and famous PM-5, distributed by Minter Enterprises.